Okay, I kind of just got from the gym, but I wanted to open these. I brought 2 packages. Actually, there are 2 electronics and 1 little accessories. One of them I bought from eGlobal Central US, and the other one I bought from Amazon. First one I want to open is this from Amazon, because this is... I'm just so excited to get this. Wait, no. I'm lying. This is not what I want to open first. This is what I want to open first. On my Instagram, I asked if I should probably get the G7X Mark II, even though I'm broke. Should I get it anyways? And yes, majority vote won. So I went ahead and got it, and I went on eGlobal Central US, and I got it for a cheaper price because it's an international brand. I think the G7X retails around $900. This, I got it for $500 bucks, which was a steal. Just get into this bad boy, shall we? This is the box it came in, pretty brand new. Ooh, got a text. It has a little dent on the side, which is expected from packaging, but they did bubble wrap it, so I blame it on the courier service, which was DHL. Oh, yes! Canon manual, the charger. I'm not sure how it fits into this. Battery, the charger bank, camera strap, and the last thing in the box, of course, the camera. Oh, this is actually heavier than my Panasonic. This is what the camera looks like. Obviously, I got another flip-up screen because it's very useful, but this one also tilts down at a 45-degree angle. Yeah. Let me put the battery in. Power on. Because I know how clumsy I can be, I'm gonna put on the wrist strap. Wow, the quality. Hold on, I want to see how it looks with the lights off. I wanted to see how it looks with it in low light, and this is just absolutely perfect. It's showing all my pores in my skin, so I don't know. Oh my god! Oh my, oh my god, yes! Turn the lights back on. I'm here for this. I'm so here for this camera. Oh my god, yes! Just because I want to feel like brand new and everything, I'm gonna put this back in the bag. So I was a little bit skeptical ordering from eGlobal Central US, just because it's not a well-known site and the prices were kind of like too good to be true. I did my due diligence, watch a couple of videos of people who also ordered the Canon G7X on it and how the process came up for them, as well as some reviews on the site. Just neutral reviews, some of them worse than others, and then there's other ones who don't complain. The shipping, it was pretty fast. I ordered this camera on Wednesday and it's now Monday. I'm gonna open the next prize. It's a handheld grip, guys, for any like GoPro situation. It's just what it looks like. It's actually very comfortable. I bought GoPro Hero 6, and this I got it from Amazon. I decided to get warranty just because I know how small devices like these can go bad, and I heard people complaining about the GoPro 6, like it taking in water and stuff like that, but they're willing to like replace the camera because it's a factory fault or something. How does this even... What the... How... Oh, okay. I have the GoPro manual, GoPro card, sorry. The GoPro manual, the battery, 2 sticky mounts, the USB, which I think is the USB charger. The box is empty. Oh, you put this case on just so you can use it with this. Okay, got it. This is what it's looking like. It's 9:30. God knows I should be sleeping by now. On and going. So I downloaded the GoPro app earlier, and that's what I'm using to connect my camera. Oh, it said connected and it didn't stand. Kalabunga. What I'm seeing on my phone is what I'm seeing camera. Yay. So I've come to realize that my GoPro case doesn't fit here, so I'm probably gonna have to return this. So I turned it off because it really needs to charge. That's it for my unboxing. This was me just being psyched out for new gear, to be honest. Wimping a little bit inside for the money that I spent, but you know what? It it'll be worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to bust a like if you enjoyed the little unboxing, and subscribe down below if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm weird. Okay, bye.